tētahi mea e mahu e ana I te whakaaro, mēnā kai te kōrero kanikani ai tātou. One of the things that we don't think about when we're dancing are the fitness benefits. Nō reira, e whai whakaaro ana hau mō Hawaiki TÜ. So today we're going to go check out Hawaiki TÜ's Māori Movement Contemporary class. And I thought this one could be good for you.
Nō reira, e tūtaki mai ana ki tētahi o ngā mātanga o tēnei ao Haka Theatre, ko Kura te ua tanu ingoa, Kura tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe.
What is Hawaiki TÜ?
Hawaiki TÜ is a Māori performing arts company that specialises in Haka Theatre. Haka Theatre combining Kapa Haka, Māori dance and theatre.
All the way around.
What's the difference between contemporary dance and Kapa Haka?
I think they both derive from different places. However, I think the similarity between both of them is that they have history and form. We're a whole group of kaihaka that have had a bit of training here and there in terms of other forms of dance, and what's happening is that they're slowly coming together. So it's a progression that we're starting to form, and it just keeps going and going, it never stops.
Nō reira, mō wai tēnei momo nekehanga, who is this for?
At the moment, this is our first block of Māori dance classes, and at the moment we've got a whole lot of different age groups involved. Eventually we would like to just run classes specific for age groups or experience, so anybody.
Nō reira, e hara nā hau te tangata contemporary. Now, I'm no contemporary dancer, but I'm pretty keen to jump in there and try a few moves myself. So, ka taia koe ki te whakamahana taku tinana. Can you warm me up just before we get into the class?
Yep, I'll give it a go.
Waina watu. Me hari taua.
Holding and releasing the body, softening.
The importance of your entire body is central to contemporary dance. Nō reira, mō kuake, for me, the movements extend far beyond my normal routine. And this is something many are willing to try. Nā koe iwi, nō te ao Kapa Haka koe, so you've got a Kapa Haka background. How has the transition been into a class like contemporary?
Contemporary, I guess you have to work it out yourself. Kapa Haka, teamwork, all about teamwork. Good chance to point the toes, you know, so kick our brothers.
Ani, kōrero mai, what are some of the benefits that you've felt doing Māori movement class?
Ka whakaaro nui ki ngā mahi hauora. So, you know, the body's always moving, and for me personally, you know, it's a motivation to actively get out there and be fit. This is pretty much my gym, and it's something that I enjoy.
Nō reira, kura kua oti tēnā wahanga o te karahe. We've finished the contemporary side of the class. What's coming up next?
So I hope you're warm. Did well in that last class. A few roly-polies that were out of this world, but the next section we have for you is our Māori dance class, which combines traditional Māori and little bits and pieces of what you've just learnt in the last class. So, koreri koe?
Yeah, āhua nei, I'm excited about the Māori movement stuff. Te hoi anō mo te contemporary. I think I need a little bit more practice in that department then.
It's quite.
The fusion of Māori movement with contemporary dance is a point of difference for Hawaiki TÜ, and I find it's easier to move my body with them.
Toru, pa.
Easy coordination, whānau. Simple stuff. Not too hard.
Rua, ka pai.
I'm in the waiter, good buzz.
One more.
Koe rā, e te whānau, tēnei te whānau o Hawaiki TÜ, mihi atu ki a koutou, that's Hawaiki TÜ Contemporary Māori Dance. Hawaiki TÜ! Whakanuia. Ngā mihi, Whānau Living.